In this video, we're going to freshen up this cabinet door. As you can see, a lot of the finish is worn off in here, and we're just going to polish it and make it look better. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash the cabinets, clean them up a little bit before I polish them. And I'm using a couple drops of Dawn in a little pan of water here. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip this in soapy water, bring it out a bit, and just clean the wood. I'm clean it all, the cabinet door. If there's any dirt or sticky stuff there, I'm going to clean this first. Okay, so now I'm going to dry towel. I'm just going to pat it dry. You can get these microfiber towels on Amazon if you don't have them yourself. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that dry for a couple hours, and then we'll put on the polish cleaner. Okay, so now the wood is dried. Now we're going to put on this. It's called Wood and Cabinet Polish Cleaner and Polish. Got this from Amazon, and it comes with a nice brown microfiber towel. So I'm just going to shake it and then apply it right on the towel. Quite a bit on there. And now I'm just going to rub it into the wood. And so now you can see the finished product. It's very nice. Really cleaned it up real well and gave it a nice polish. Wooden cabinet cleaner and polish. Did a great job. Thank you for watching.